I'm going to show you how to make the #1 best flying paper airplane. Start with a normal 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. Copy paper works great. You fold it in half long ways. Then you open it back up. You take the corner and you fold a perfect triangle to the center fold. On both sides. It looks like this. The next, you fold it right along this line and keep the point on the center fold. Make sure these edges are points as well. Then you take these points and fold it down to the center fold, about an inch or so from the point of that piece right there. Not all the way to the point, about an inch up. So it looks like this. Then you're going to take this inch piece and fold it up. So then it will look like this. And then we're going to turn it over backwards, upside down, and fold it in half. Like this, with the tab on the bottom. Then you fold the wings down, and I like to fold it so this piece is parallel and then just about a ½ inch past the bottom. Make it match on the front, and on the back side have it hang past the bottom just at about a ½ inch. That makes the wings a little bit bigger, makes it glide better. Do the same thing with the other side. The airplane looks like this. The best way to make it fly good, fold it up so the wings look like this. And then on the front nose, put a little tab like that. Then on the back, this can be adjusted. If it flies too high, you can take this one out. If you put a little tab on the back, that also helps. Here's your #1 best flying airplane.
How you find out where the wind is coming from. That's the critical part of this whole thing, is throwing it into the wind. So here's how you do it. Put your finger up, wet your finger, put it up, feel where it's coldest, that's where you throw.